Are you going to write a complaint letter? Well, some of you right now maybe is mad because of a company service. Here you can show how disappointed you are through a complaint letter. You know that a complaint letter is a type of letter written to address any type of wrongdoing, offense, resentment arising out of a product, service, and etc. You can use the letter to raise your concern about unfair things and seek a productive outcome. So when it comes like it's beyond your expectation or what is promised by the company, you can start writing the complaint letter and ask for their reply. You know, writing a complaint letter is legal and all customers can do so if it is necessary. So you don't have to be afraid that the company would like to punish you if you write the complaint letter. No, it is okay as long as you make it polite and based on the true story. You should not telling a story as it is not good. So the first thing that you should know about the complaint letter is that you should be the real customer of their company and you should not use a fake purchase or fake any kind of information in order to complain them. So you complain because you have a right to do it. And just like what you see here, the first thing that I write down here is today's date, which is July 15, 2020. And then I try to put my full name, Mr. Scarlett Owen. So this is my full name. And then I put my my apartment address or your home address. It is okay. You can mention your complete address and you can then mention to whom you write the complaint letter for. So here I would like to complain the excellent courier service. So I was disappointed to their service because maybe the service was not the service was a mess. So here I would like to write the complaint letter to them. So first of all, we can use the opening, dear sir or madam, or you can directly mention the person in charge to make it personal and impressive. So you are serious about this case. And I say in the first paragraph, this letter has surfaced out of sheer disgust resulted by the delivery service of your company, which is excellent courier service. And then you can start telling the chronological order about the issues. So here I try to say, couple of days back I received a parcel which has destined to me by cousin through your courier services. So you can accept the message that my cousin received the parcel instead of me. And then I can continue telling the story. Telling the chronological event happened about this parcel. So this parcel has been delivered at least a week late after having been promised to be delivered well in time. So the company is too late in delivering the parcel. It is a week later. Of course, it is such a long time for me. And you can mention what is wrong by sending it late. So you mentioned that this parcel has been delivered at least a week later. So you really mean that they are really late and not professional in sending it. But you can also declare that you understand the situation, but you want something more from the company, like they may write an acknowledge letter or notification letter and so on. But you are disappointed because nothing is done by the company to clarify the status of your parcel. So you are disappointed, and you can make it polite by saying, I can understand these things, can get this right for some reason or the other. It is okay, but it is your responsibility to put in a reasonable excuse for the long delay in the delivery. Here, as the writer, I just want some clarification from the company, from the service. Why there is no red lips from them? There is no notification. This is what makes me disappointed. So here I deliver my messages through my first paragraph. So it is clear that what makes me disappointed is that they do nothing after knowing that they are late sending the parcel a week later. It makes me disappointed. So that I write the complaint later. And I add additional reasons why I write the complaint letter. So here I state, moreover, the parcel has been delivered in complete mess. So the condition of the parcel is in a mess. What is mess? And then I try to mention the mess things in the next paragraph. In the next sentence. So here, I wish that you draw some inspiration from the name of your service, excellent courier service, and deliver what the name actually promises. I am expecting a reply from your side for the poor services which was rendered to me, hoping for a reasonable and a quick reply. So it is clear, the message. Yes, I am very mad when writing this complaint letter. So in case you are mad too, you can start writing your complaint letter, but still you have to be polite and clear. And you should tell the chronological order of the events that happen to your parcel. And then as the closing, I start to write my full name. Yeah. So this is the end of the letter. I hope you enjoy watching the video, and I hope you get the best reply from the company to whom you send the complaint letter to. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and share.